small town in western British Columbia. It's about a 5-hour drive from Williams Lake on a partially paved road. It goes over Heckman Pass, also known as the Hill, to get into Bella Coola. There isn't much to the town. There's a couple motels and lodges, along with a few places to eat and a grocery store. The surrounding scenery is pretty spectacular though. The water is bright turquoise due to the area's glaciers, and we can head up Clayton Falls Forest Service Road to the M Gurr Trail for great 360-degree views of the peaks and valleys. I was up there on a day that was just clear enough. I departed Bella Coola on a ferry that took me to Port Hardy on Vancouver Island. Not much luck with the weather on this voyage, lots of low clouds and rain the entire ride. I really liked the ferry option though. It would have been a very long drive from Bella Coola back to central BC and